Check out the beautiful mountains here. Walk with me. Document your journey on YouTube.
Somebody told me, hey, try cyclocross.
Why not? Why not? Look at the water. That's awesome right there. I need the sun every day, man. Go visit nature, man. Every time I come to nature, I feel healed. It was a busy day today. I was in downtown. I got a place to go after this. But before that, I need to come to nature today. I had to go visit nature. It's God's place. God heals. Amen. I'm gonna start filming and going places now. I think that's the thing to do now. There's people who go to crazier places, like everywhere. Sometimes we take wherever we are for granted, but it's not. You shouldn't take it for granted. For some place, somebody else out there in the world, this could be an amazing place, you know? This is in San Gabriel Valley. Go check out one of my latest books, HowExpert Guide to San Gabriel Valley. It's a region in LA County. They have a lot of good nature. Bicycle. Usually I bike, but today I just wanted to chill. I just wanted to walk. That's the freeway. They have a Miller Lite factory. A lot of people cycling. I'm going to visit my dad after. It's his birthday today, so. But he watches all my videos. He's one of the only ones who likes my videos. Can you believe that? So this is for him. He's not able to walk, but I'm going to walk for him here. And this is for all the people who may not be able to explore as much. This video is for y'all. God blessed me with freedom. My life is not perfect, but one thing I do have is freedom. I might as well maximize it. It's beautiful water right here. You know what? Why not? Why not? Let's go there. Let's go and touch the water. Let's go touch the water. Is right now. Here. Hopefully this can be a 20-minute video because YouTube has a 20-minute video category. Today I published a new book about LA. Go check it out, HowExpert Guide to Los Angeles. As an ebook, paperback, hardback book, and audiobook in the future. This is a part of LA County, by the way, believe it or not. LA is not just all about Hollywood. There's places like this. This is in Duarte area. Nice nature. That's why I love nature. Whenever I come to nature, it's healing. You know, the downtown buildings are man-made, but nature, mountains, are God-made, right? The buildings are beautiful. God's nature is even more beautiful. There's power in nature when you go there. I'm not sure if I'll touch the water. We'll see. There's a... Oh, wow. Hopefully it's not slippery. It's kind of yeah. My feet's wet now. Oh my goodness, fantastic. Wow, look at that. Wow. That's amazing. H2O water. I want to go there and drink it. I'm not sure if it's clean to drink, but that looks about right. It's not like this all the time, though. There was a period in time when this, I believe this place was dry. But I guess there's been a lot of rain this year, so there's yeah, there's water right there. Let me touch the water and turn around. It's beautiful. Let me touch the water a little bit to show you. Hold on. I'm gonna touch the water real quick, just to touch the water. Nature. Oh wow. Right there, I just touched it. Fantastic, beautiful. I touched it. All right, let's get out of here. One last look. Wow. Let's go now. I gotta cross this area. Hold on. Ooh! Okay, awesome. Awesome. Sometimes when you're stressed out, whatever you're going through, we all have issues. You know, I'm stressed out too, behind the scenes in life and business, all kinds of stuff. When I come to nature, man, for a split second, it feels like my problems go away for a second. These are nice leaves. Look at the mountains. Oh shoot. Mountains. There was another part of mountains in San Gabriel Valley area. I literally went to the top one time, but they closed that down now. I literally one day I went to the top. It's crazy. But then it's life is humbling, because when I went to the top, I saw an older guy with a bicycle. Just when I felt like I was a man, I was at the top of the mountain, there was an older guy coming in with a bicycle. He went even higher. So, lesson of the day, don't be too prideful. Little by little, I want to visit other places and record. I've seen some cameras in Best Buy just for vlogging. They're easier to hold. I'm gonna check one of those out as well. Oh, there's more bicycle people. It's interesting. I give him a thumbs up. Man, these bicycle people, they're always like in a professional outfit. I don't know, I guess they're serious enthusiasts. That's what it is, you know? Cyclists. Hey, that's another idea for my book in the future. HowExpert Guide to Cycling. Stay tuned. Again, I'm a publisher for my independent publishing brand, HowExpert, which publishes how-to guides on all topics. So I've literally published almost 400 books right now on Amazon. And on all topics A to Z by everyday experts. But now with AI, I'm ready to run, guys. I'm ready to run every day, every way. I'm getting better and better, right? Like the Tony Robbins says. But I'm ready every day, everywhere. I'm ready to publish all topics from A to Z, all the way. And by the way, if you want to learn, I do have a course and training membership site. Go check out my training, okay? Let me show you more. Life is short. Live it the best way you can every day. Go for your dreams. Let go of the past. Be in the present. And go for your dreams all the way. Next time I'm gonna bike here, I might get like a bike holder, a camera holder for my bike. I could show you more. Actually, I love biking, but my bike is pretty slow, to be honest. I bought a foldable bike. Oh, check this out. I've seen this for a while. Some more water. Wow, I guess somebody well known here was here. Rest in paradise. If you go all the way over there, it's a freeway. It's a good, pretty cool place to go. I like it over there because when I go to towards that area, there's a lot of cars, and it's exciting energy. They say life is all energy and frequency. I don't know who said it, but that's what they said, right? So. There's actually a lot of different ways. It's not this is the only path I've been to like go through it, and there's like all kinds of weird ways to go through, and lakes. I saw one lake somewhere down here. I kept going. It was interesting. No, bicycle cyclists. There's cyclists everywhere. There's this is a road. Sun. I did one long video when I was in Vegas like this. I was at a park. I think it was called Wetlands. I unlisted the video, but I'll make it long. I'll upload it. I mean, I'll make it public to one of my channels. I need the likes, guys. Though seriously, if you like the video, I'll keep that video up as public. But that's why it's not just me, YouTube. Like, I need the viewers' encouragement, especially when I don't get a lot of views. 1 like, 2 likes helps to gives me confirmation and confidence to like, okay, you guys like it, I'll keep the video up. But if you guys don't watch over 10 views and not 1 like, 20 views, no like, then I don't want to keep it up there. I know it shouldn't technically matter, but that's why I don't like when you guys watch my videos and don't like. Then you know what? It's not good for anyone. The video won't all be there. But if you like the video, please like it. Then you can watch it over and over again if you want to watch it. Okay? I know some people are just... It doesn't cost you anything to like a video. If you genuinely like the video, please like the video. Like this. If you like this video, like it. You know, if I get more than 2 likes on this video, I might even consider keeping it up. But if I get 0 likes, all right, I might still keep it up, actually, because this video, I like it myself, which is the main key. You should like it yourself. That's true. Yeah, but there's videos I really like, and it took me effort, and I thought it was good, and nobody likes it. I just don't get it, man. Some of the videos inspire me. I mean, there's a lot of videos, but this is a basic video. This is just like regular, you know, park area kind of. By the way, this thing goes all the way to the ocean. Did you guys know that? I heard this is in Duarte area per se, but it goes all the way to Long Beach. One time I took my bike and I went all the way as far as I could, and I found out there was still like 20 miles to go. I said, forget it, man. I was thinking about going towards Long Beach, and I was ready. I drank water. But once I got there, I was just like, I think I got to like East LA or something like that. I was like, forget about this. It took me a whole hour. Cactus. Interesting. Oh, got music. Cactus. Supposedly there's water inside these things. I don't know how animals would get water out of it. It's interesting. Cactus. That's another idea. Cactus. Book about cactus. Or I'll zoom out and I'll say a book about plants. All kinds of plants. I do have a book about plants. Actually, it's HowExpert Guide to Plants already, back in the days. So this is let me show you a bigger. This is towards the freeway. A lot of traffic. But I like it here because it gives me energy when I see the cars pass by. Sometimes I come here, believe it or not, I find my own spot here, somewhere in the shade, and I work remotely. Sometimes if you're working just same places over and over again, you wanna go places somewhere else. I still feel like I haven't fully maximized my potential in terms of like working remotely with an online business. There's so many places to go. The world is so big, you know? That's a Miller Genuine Draft Factory. They've had that for years. When I was a kid, they still had that. You see that super lawyer, super woman? I've seen that poster for years. There's more cyclists. And the freeway. See the energy. There's more water. I'm gonna end it. I'm pretty much gonna end it here, but let me show you the water because I'm at the freeway. It's over 20 minutes perfecto. And then I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna get going. Check this out here. There's a nice water. Honestly, I feel like doing this every day. Like going to a different like nature area. The challenge is finding the spots. You know? The challenge is finding the spots. Look at the freeway here. It goes all the way. Freeway. I like this place. It goes all the way to a park. If I keep going straight, it leads to a park, and the park is huge. I forgot the name of the park, but it's huge, somewhere in San Gabriel Valley. Again, go check out my book, HowExpert Guide to San Gabriel Valley. It talks about all the cities in SGV, San Gabriel Valley. San Gabriel Valley is the biggest region in terms of population, and also the biggest region in terms of the amount of cities in LA County. Did you know that? That's a fun fact. Tony Robbins, the motivational speaker, is from Azusa, Glendora. That's also from San Gabriel Valley. Did you know that? That's another fun fact. It just doesn't get enough credit sometimes. You know, but there's more people in LA County from San Gabriel Valley in terms of population and the cities, more cities in SGV than any other region in LA County. So technically, in LA County, this is the place where the most people are. And I believe San Gabriel Mountains or something like that was an official mountain of national park. It became like a national park or something like that by Obama, President Obama. The cars right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Wow, it goes all the way. All the trucks. Cars. Let me zoom out. That's interesting. Oh yeah, that lady's all over everywhere in LA, on the buses. But this particular poster has been here for years. Shout out to the Superwoman, Super Lawyer. Let me show you. Oh yeah, and today, like I said, I published a new book about LA. HowExpert Guide to Los Angeles. Stay tuned. It's already up. It got approved on Amazon as a Kindle ebook. I'm gonna publish a paperback, hardback, and audiobook soon in the future. Go check it out. It talks about all aspects of LA as a whole. All 88 cities in LA. All the unincorporated areas. I wanted to make it a book that is comprehensive and represents all parts of LA. I did use AI because now I'm starting to use AI. In the past, I didn't. I work with real life everyday experts, but now I'm using AI and I'm making sure. But it's not. I don't just take the answer that you just gave me the first time. I double check and I make sure. Like for example, I'm from LA, so I want to make sure, you know, it covers all aspects of LA, not just what they give me, you know, including San Gabriel Valley and all the cities out there. So go check it out. HowExpert Guide to San Gabriel Valley. Thanks for watching. I gotta go. See you soon. All right. One more look at the freeway. And the sun. and the mountains, nature. Let me zoom in the mountains a little bit. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Talk to you soon, all right? Take care.